Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are opening and reviewing the Garage Parking Assist module, GDM222. Should be fairly simple, so let's open it up and take a look. Alright everyone, this one's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, hopefully. It says it has dual lasers for 2 cars, so it's good for parking 2 cars. It has auto activate when the garage door opens, and it installs in seconds. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The idea here is that instead of having a tennis ball or something else hanging from the ceiling, you now have a laser that activates, and you can watch that laser go across the car to a specific point. So you'll point it at a specific spot on your dashboard or somewhere on your car so that you can see it as you pull up, and once the laser hits that spot, you know you've pulled in all the way. So again, pretty straightforward. Should be pretty easy to install because it's just one of their garage door modules. One other thing before we dive too far into this one, just want to talk about the time that it took for this video to be released between the time that we originally installed the garage door. And the reason for that, a little spoiler alert for a future video when we review the garage door, is that we honestly weren't sure if we were going to keep the garage door. A couple little quirks, little things that weren't sure about. We have hopefully resolved all of the little issues that we were having, but anyway, just a little explanation as to why this video took so long after the actual garage door install video. So all things are good with the garage door as of right now, so we're happy about that. We think we've got things working properly, and so let's go ahead and open this one up. Just a little tape on the top side there. All right, so first out of the box we have our operator's manual here. Now one thing that's really cool about these is they come with these little modules. They come with a sticker right here that you can put onto your garage door keypad on the inside, and that will tell you which module your or which port your module is plugged into. So once we plug this in, we can go put the sticker on the garage door keypad, and that'll let us know where it's at. Now, one thing I don't love about these is because it's a sticker, it's not easy to move. So if you're moving your modules around, which is, in my opinion, one of the reasons that you would have a module versus an integrated system, is so that you can move them. But in general, if you're going to leave it in the exact same port on the garage door opener, not a big deal. You can put the stickers on once you've figured out exactly where you're going to have them. So keep a hold of the manual or operator's manual. Don't throw this away. Make sure you read through it and keep a hold of your sticker for when you're ready to put it on your garage door keypad. But moving on to the parking assist here, we've got just a little bit of cardboard packing, the plastic, and then the module itself. So here's our 2 lasers. So pointed down, we'll aim those exactly where we want them. On the back, it's just our hook system. So it's got the little latches or hooks there, and then our connector at the bottom, or in the middle back there, and the quick release on the bottom there. So pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it looks like. All right, so now we are up here with the garage door opener. We have our module here. First thing we have to do is take out the module port plate cover, and we'll do that. Just pops out the bottom. There we go. We are on number 4 here. So again, on our keypad, we can put that little sticker on the number 4 slot. We'll go ahead and pop this into place. Make sure we're not looking at those lasers. And one thing a little bit different or unique is we only have 1 car in this garage. So for now, we're actually going to point both lasers at the dash of this car. So we'll see if we can get these lined up. It might be a little too far, but we'll see. And also, one thing that's interesting is depending on the module you have next to it, for example, in this case, the fan, it could be difficult to aim this second laser at this where the second car would normally go. But again, in this case, we're gonna point these both in the direction of the one car and see if we can get 2 spots lined up to help better accurately park the car. So again, we'll go ahead and using our remote, we'll go ahead and hit the garage door to open it. And we see our lasers are on here now. You can see the lasers there. We'll go ahead and just adjust these. So it's coming down there. So it looks like they're actually reflecting off of the windshield and hitting the car. So again, be very careful as to where you are aiming these. We're actually gonna spin them a little bit maybe to get the right spot. We'll kind of aim those down like that. Again, be very careful as these are lasers. So we're just gonna aim them down right there and right there. And again, what's interesting is because it's a glass, they're reflecting straight over against the wall. We'll show what that looks like here. So here we're gonna hit the number 4, and that activates our lasers. Now, again, you can see the lasers are right there. So we've picked 2 spots right in the middle of the car. So right there and over there, so we can see those from the inside. But one thing, again, to be careful of, it's hitting the glass here, hitting there, and then it's reflecting off the glass right here on our wall. So that's reflected. So be careful when you're installing these that you don't accidentally reflect it into somebody's eyes. These are lasers. Again, just be careful. So there it is. Pretty simple, pretty easy to install. We'll try it out a few times and let you know what we think, but it's installed. They're pointing where we want them to, and we were able to twist them enough that we're actually pointing both lasers at the same car. And again, we'll try real quick to point, yeah, see, I mean, right there, it's getting in the way, the fan's getting in the way. So you have to be careful what mod's next to it. But again, in our case, we just have the one car right now. We're just gonna point them both kind of in a central area, maybe help line it up better or more accurately. We'll try it a few times, see if the accuracy is the same or if how it works as we pull the car in. But again, this one was pretty quick and easy. Hopefully the next mods will be coming shortly. And the other garage door, again, we did delay installing the second garage door and some of the mods just because we weren't sure about keeping this garage door initially. But after some time, again, we've worked through some of the issues. It was going through, and we'll have a full review of everything that we've experienced, what we did to fix it in a future video. But so far, the 2 mods that we've installed, we've liked. The fan is really nice. Now the lasers and every other mod that Ryobi currently has, we have on our shelf ready to open. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and then make sure to comment below. Let us know what mod you want to see next or what tools you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. You gonna come out? Okay, go inside for just a second. I'll come in and make you a sandwich. Okay. Hey, Riker, why don't you eat a string cheese real quick? Okay. Oh, that was why. It's touching the freaking tire. So I can't.